Mary Ellen, hey, it's Brandon with Carolina One. It's the beginning of the video. This is the front of the house right here, and I'm just going to span around. You can see the neighbor's house right there to the left-hand side. But just kind of go back through and let you kind of see what's all around it. This lot is 0.91, but it's a little funky shaped. What you see out there, all that clearing is not actually part of the property. That is a separate lot. Part of it is within there. Now right here you do see a staircase that's leading up into the very top bedroom. So there's two access points, one from the exterior and one from the interior. So I'm going to walk down here to the side. That way you can kind of at least get some of the backyard view. The kids' play set does convey. Front entrance. This is your living room area. Front door, front window, of course. There's your second access point to go into the upstairs bedroom. Of course, that would be great for guests, obviously younger, because it definitely kitchen, granite countertops, cabinets are new. As you can see, brand new gas stove, built-in microwave, refrigerator. There's your pantry area. Scan back through so you can kind of see a little bit more of the living room. This is your washroom area. It is a half bath as well. Come back around. That's where your washer and dryer would go. And of course, you've got cabinets there above. This is your first bedroom. There's a full bath for this bedroom. Closet space. Right through here is the sunroom area. Of course, you got sliding doors on the front there. Great view of the pool, nice deck. This is going to be your second master. This one by far has the nicest bathroom. Closet space. Tiled shower, dual vanities, and of course the same type of granite that's in the kitchen as well. Gonna go up the spiral. This is your other bedroom. Flip on the light switch, whatever it may be. No light switch. Where's the light switch? Somewhere, but you should be able to see it pretty good. Again, another full bath. Large closet area. We're going to walk back out here to where the pool area is. Kind of span around for you. You can see that. Oh, that second bedroom on the back also has its private entrance to the deck as well. Just kind of let you see. Back here, this cabana is brand new. As you can see, nice pool area. This cabana is nice though. Does have electricity to it. I like the way they did the two-tone shelving underneath. Cabinets over here with a sink. And your lake is right there. So part of the lake actually comes into the property itself, within the property line. But as you can see, it widens out in the distance. So I'm going to enlarge this real quick. That dock to the left is a shared dock with the neighboring property. So, but I'm going to span back around. So that way you can get a full view from the pool back. All right, hope this helps. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.